लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि जो लड़कियां मसाजर खरीदती हैं वो बड़ी वाइल्ड है। नहीं नहीं, वो वाइल्ड नहीं है।
Actually,
दोज
I
आर
second
सिंपल
you.
वुमेन।
लड़कों को ये नहीं पता that women do not get a orgasm very easily through sex.
Absolutely.
Just like your hair.
Yes.
This is also a part of your body.
Exactly.
Just like your face, your fingers, your hands. This is normal.
You would be surprised to know that more than 14 states in India have banned sex education in their
They've
schools and
banned
colleges.
Hi guys, I am Amanpreet Kaur
And I'm Bhavika.
and you're watching.
Bowlmates.
Today we have a very special guest with us. Her name is Arisha Nigam. And today we're going to be talking about something which affects most of our lives, but nobody wants to
Talk about it.
it in public. Like it's a taboo. We're going to be talking about pleasure today. And hi Arisha, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
We're fine.
How is everything?
Very well.
Now, Arisha, can you please introduce yourself and tell our audience what do you actually do?
So, hi, I am Arisha, founder of Thriller, and I sell pleasure tools in India.
That is so
And
fucking exciting.
what are pleasure tools? Could you please explain it a little bit more?
Of course. So, pleasure tools could be vibrating or non-vibrating equipments that you could use to stimulate your body to find out what feels good to your body, explore it, or maybe if you're with partner, you can explore fun stuff.
Yeah. And I
Yeah.
think this topic is also seen as a taboo. Nobody wants to really talk about it.
Actually, not just the pleasure tool, the entire concept of pleasure.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's
Okay.
It's fine.
So, not just pleasure tool, the entire concept of pleasure has been seen as taboo. Okay. So, in India, the society has this concept of getting married so that you can legally have sex. But ironically, nobody wants to talk about sex. I don't think so in India. As a society or educational system, we are provided with sex education, right?
That's
Did
right.
you guys
So
get
that's
any
true.
sex
No,
education?
we never got it.
You know what? You would be surprised to know that more than 14 states in India have banned sex education in their
They've
schools
banned
and colleges. Yes! And even, I was a biology student. We had this chapter
Same.
of reproduction,
Reproduction
but we were
organs.
never taught that.
Yes.
We were never
In
taught
our
that.
last
Fact, those
podcast
chapters
also.
were quickly finished by the teachers so that
They were like, you guys can go
Yeah.
and read about it.
Yeah, the
Then-
last
But,
podcast also we had the same conversation
Conversation.
because the
Okay.
teacher used to just skip it. Oh हाँ बस उस पे जो लिखा पढ़ा हुआ है ना मतलब जो भी उस पे है उसको
Mhm.
पढ़ा she
Right.
just reads it and okay the chapter is done हो गया reproduction फटाफट वो chapter खत्म
See,
कर दिया।
that's the irony. That's the entire concept of society. You're supposed to get married, you're supposed to have children. But who is teaching you about how to have children?
That's
How
true.
are you going to have safe sex
That's
or
right.
consent? Nobody is teaching you about that.
Correct.
Nobody is teaching you what feels good to your body or to understand your own body. So that is one change that, you know, I think everybody is responsible to bring about.
मैं तो हमेशा से ये चाहती थी कि ऐसे मैं जाऊँ और मैं अपनी मम्मा के साथ बैठूँ और मैं एंड टच वुड मम्मा ऐसी हैं कि my mom is really open. Like she is the one who has introduced me to all these things. She sat me down one day and she was like, Khushi, listen, okay? This is sex. Understand. This is good touch. This is bad touch.
Same, I love that. I mean, I think we are very lucky कि हमारी माओ ने हमें ये सब सिखाया,
Yes.
बताया, क्लैरिफाई किया ताकि हमें जाके ऐसे अनवांटेड सिचुएशन का सामना ना करना पड़े. So my mother also taught me everything about, you know, my own body, about periods. You know, that's another thing. Schools में क्या होता है अगर लड़कियों को पहले ये नहीं पता कि periods क्या होते हैं, क्यों होते हैं, और जब उसको कभी periods होते हैं तो I have seen this. लड़कियों के साथ क्या होता है, स्कूल टीचर्स बोलते हैं, ओ स्पॉट लग गया, प्लीज शर्ट बांध दो, ये
Cover
दिखना
करके
नहीं
जाओ।
चाहिए, कवर करके जाओ. तो उनको पहले ही सिखा देते हैं कि शेम की बात है, आपकी बॉडी शेम की बात है,
right.
आप क्वेश्चंस नहीं पूछ सकते हो. आंसर देने की बजाय वो पहले ही आपको ना चुप रहना सिखा देते हैं.
Right.
तो प्रॉब्लम ये नहीं है कि हम बात नहीं करते, प्रॉब्लम ये है कि हम साइलेंट रहते हैं, हमें वो सिखाया ही नहीं गया. तो अब अगर कोई बात करता है तो नॉर्मली आई ऑल्सो गेट ट्रोल्ड अ लॉट. दे आर लाइक कैरेक्टर.
हाँ.
भाई एजुकेशन का मोरालिटी से या कैरेक्टर से क्या लेना देना है. बी वोकल अबाउट एजुकेशन, be educated,
The way you talk about
informed.
politics, the way you talk about different things, this is also education.
Absolutely,
It's just a part,
absolutely. And just with sex education, I feel so many problems in our country can be fixed.
A lot of problems. A lot of problems. So I just wanted to ask you about your journey. What made you open a brand of pleasure tools? Like what made you think I want to open something like this? I want to start something like this.
So I'll tell you, I have been a biology student and then I pursued my engineering in biotech. And very initially, in the very beginning, because my mother introduced me to everything that was related to my body, she actually helped me out. And she was the one who handed me out my first vibrator.
Wow,
Okay,
that's
so I
so
was
nice.
able to explore कि मेरी बॉडी को क्या अच्छा लगता
Yeah.
है और कोई भी अनवांटेड सिचुएशन में मुझे ना पड़ना पड़े. मुझे पहले से पता है कि मेरी बॉडी के लिए क्या अच्छा है, क्या प्लेजरेबल है. Whether with a partner or not, I should be able to relieve my stress and go about my day. So I just did that. And because of my biotech background, मुझे ये भी पता था कि क्या मटेरियल बॉडी के लिए सेफ है. So normally what happens, कोई बिगिनर है या आप भी अगर कुछ यूज़ करना चाहते हो, आपको आइडिया नहीं है, कोई एजुकेशन नहीं है, स्पेशली Gen Z generation, they rely mostly on videos which are on internet, Instagram, और जिसमें बहुत कुछ मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन भी चलती है.
Yeah.
तो देयर इज नो वन टू गाइड देम. सो एज अ बिगिनर आपको नहीं पता कि
These-
कौन सा
these-
मटेरियल यूज
yeah,
करना
these
है.
videos they set very wrong standards of
एग्जैक्टली. हमारे इंडिया में ना सेक्स एजुकेशन नहीं है, तो हर कोई ना सब कुछ जो सीखता है वो पॉर्न से सीखता है.
sex. That's
एंड
true.
पॉर्न इज ऑल अबाउट परफॉर्मेंस, नॉट अबाउट
It's all
रियलिटी.
acting. It's
Not
acting.
about
It's
pleasure.
all,
It's
yes,
not about
it is
pleasure.
not about pleasure.
Right.
So that's where these myths and misinformations are generated. So that's another thing.
So the most common thing जो मुझे ऐसे बहुत weird चीज़ है जो मुझे recently पता चली.
Mhm.
So लड़कों को ये नहीं पता that women do not get a orgasm very easily through sex.
Absolutely.
Guys don't know that.
They don't.
90% of the times women don't get an orgasm through sex. It's because,
You know,
because
that's-
the G spot is on the clit, right? So they don't understand we need a stimulation over there also.
Right.
And guys are totally unaware about it. And then I think there are some people who feel कि यार हम तो said bro झूठ बोला गया है तुमसे और बहुत गंदा झूठ बोला गया है और आपका कटा है बहुत ज़्यादा.
Most of the women are faking around their orgasm.
See, that's what I'm telling you, that in our society, women are taught to be desirable, but they
Yeah.
cannot have desires.
Yeah.
Because if you
You're
have
right.
desires and if you demand it, they would question your character.
Exactly.
They would judge your morality, which is incorrect, which is wrong. You're just educated about your own needs, your own body, and you should be vocal about it. If you want, I can show you exactly what goes where and where guys
Of
should.
course, we would
For
love to actually, for you to demonstrate
Demonstrate it.
everything.
Sure.
Please,
For the
please help
viewers.
us.
So let me show you. Normally, everybody, if I'll ask them what this is, they won't be able to name it properly. Do you guys know what this is?
Vagina? Vagina?
It's a pubis, mons pubis and
Okay, so I tell you what. Normally, every woman, they call their body parts vagina. This is not vagina. This is a vulva. Okay.
vulva, right.
This cavity is called vagina. This is the pee hole, and this little button here
This is
is clitoris.
Yeah.
Okay. And normally, nobody, sometimes not even women, they know that clitoris can also stimulate orgasms. This looks like a small button, but you know what? It is such a huge organ. Just behind this, the back wall of this clit is called G-spot. That's where you stimulate yourself internally. And you would be surprised to know
Yeah.
that clit was mapped. This organ is only meant for pleasure.
Yeah.
This has more than 10,000 nerve endings,
Oh, wow.
only meant to provide you pleasure. And this was mapped recently.
Oh.
So it's not just us, it's the society. Science also
Yeah.
was behind just because this belongs to a woman. So yes, we need to have more conversations, and yes, guys, 75% of women, as the research show, they cannot orgasm just with the penetration. So
Right.
you need to
I
stimulate.
cannot. I cannot.
Yes, most women cannot.
I
So you need to either stimulate the clit area or G-spot, which is back wall of the clit area. So that, but men or women alike, they mostly don't know about
I
it.
don't know about it.
So that's what I'm trying to change, to be more vocal about this so that people are educated and they can experience pleasure with safety and consent, of
Right.
course.
So when I lost my virginity for the first time I had sex, I did not know that. I used to see these हम movies जो देखते हैं उसमें तो ऐसे दिखाते हैं कि you know the woman is reaching that orgasm and she's moaning. And मुझे ऐसा लगता था मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों नहीं हो रहा, तो मुझे
Right.
ऐसा लगता था कि मुझ में कुछ इशू है. अब मैं किससे जाके बात करूँ? मैं मम्मा
That's
से भी उस
basically
मम्मा
it.
से उस टाइम पे मैं नहीं कर सकती because I was 19 when I lost my virginity. So I was like कि मैं मम्मा से कैसे बात करूँ उसमें, मुझे समझ नहीं आया. Then
Right.
I went on the internet, थोड़ा सा सर्च किया, थोड़ा सा समझा, थोड़ा इससे भी बात किया, तो ओके मुझे समझ आया मेरी बॉडी के बारे में. ओके
Right.
आई कैन नॉट ऑर्गेज्म थ्रू पेनिट्रेशन, आई
Right.
नीड दैट स्टिमुलेशन ऑन द क्लिट.
Right.
सो तब मुझे पता चला जब मैं और लोगों को फॉलो करने लगी कि ओह शिट ये तो सबके साथ होता है, दिस इज सो
Right. It's very common. It's very
I had
common.
no idea about it. I thought कि मेरे साथ कुछ गलत है, and again वही बात आ गई ना, sex education, it is so important.
Exactly.
Yeah.
If you are unable to please yourself, or if you are in a relationship, or either men or women, दोनों को ही pleasure नहीं मिल रहा है, ultimately what will happen, हमारी mentality ऐसी है, conditioning ऐसी है कि औरत को लगेगा मेरे साथ कुछ गलत है, मेरे में कोई कमी होगी.
I literally
that
felt
happens.
that, and you know I
Yeah.
got so paranoid after a point. I started searching on the internet and poor kid यार is 19 क्या ही एज, और तब तक और
True.
सोचो बच्चा नहीं होता है तब कोई full
Right.
grown adult हूँ मैं, और मेरे को
Of
ऐसा लगा
course.
कि मुझे पता ही नहीं था.
And this
Shame on
happens
me.
a lot
मुझे पता
for
नहीं
the
था.
beginners, and for the
Right.
beginners this is happening, and women are not able to enjoy it. The main reason is vaginismus.
True.
That is because your vagina is constricted and not relaxed,
True.
and it's not able to enjoy the
What does that mean?
penetration. Vaginismus
So
is
basically, yeah.
I don't know that.
Women
हाँ.
cannot enjoy
Enjoy
penetration.
penetration.
उनको pain होता है penetration से, और फिर women को because there is this physical condition, mentally भी उन्हें stress होता है कि उनकी body के साथ कितना कुछ गलत है, वो अपने
The
partner
mental
को
thing
pleasure
is
नहीं दे पा रही.
not-
The main
Yes.
reason behind vaginismus is stress, and also foreplay is not taking
True,
place.
that's another thing. You know what?
Right.
Nobody has ever told men that women need foreplay to come. आदमियों को क्या सिखाया गया है या उन्हें क्या पता है? You just penetrate yourself, 2 minutes, job is done.
Done. That's
Nobody
not
is teaching them about women's pleasure. A, women are not asking for it. B, men don't know about it. So that's where we need to be
Yeah.
more open.
I
From
mean,
both
for
the
the-
sides the conversation has to
Of
be
course,
clear.
of course.
And
And
for-
for that condition, I tell you what I did. So I started this brand because I realized after talking to so many women just like yourself
Yes.
that there are so many levels of issues they're having. So for that particular condition, I'll show you. So this is a suction massager, and you can actually stimulate your clit using this. And let me tell you, suction massager gives you a feel जो आपको naturally किसी भी तरह से नहीं मिलेगा. जितने भी औरतों को मैंने ये suggest किया है, they came back to me thanking me that ऐसा experience उन्होंने कभी भी नहीं किया था
I'll
जीवन
take
में.
one. I'll take one.
I got you one, both of you.
Thank you.
Yes. Plus, तो ये इकलौता इशू नहीं था. एक तो वैसे ही हमारे सोसाइटी में इस तरह की बातें कॉमन नहीं है, ओपनली बात नहीं होती है.
That's true.
दूसरा, हम सब एक बहुत ही फैमिली ओरिएंटेड वे में रहते हैं. सब कोई फैमिली के
Right.
साथ, इन लॉस के साथ रहता है. तो अगर आप चाहते भी हो बात करना या यूज करना, आप इसको स्टोर कैसे करोगे, कहाँ रखोगे? इफ आई हैव अ मसाजर लाइक दिस, आप घर पे नहीं रख सकते हो इसको ओपनली. तो आई रिकॉग्नाइज दैट ऑल्सो, एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई लॉन्च थ्रिलर, जहाँ पे हम नॉर्मल मसाजर तो सेल करते ही हैं, बट वी डू हैव डिस्क्रीट मसाजर्स कि जो गलती
That's
से
it.
अगर
Can I please?
yes please. So
That's
these
so cool,
massagers, so this looks like a lipstick. अगर गलती से किसी को मिल भी गया तो पता नहीं चलेगा कि ये क्या
This
है.
is so cool.
This
Oh,
is the pakka.
can you
discreet.
please,
Yeah.
can you please showcase it? Yeah.
Yeah.
That is so cool.
How does it work? I mean, how do you?
There's a power button here. You long press it,
Oh,
And it
oh, look
vibrates.
at
and
that.
there are 10 patterns and intensity.
Vibration is intense.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this one I was just showing you. This looks like AirPods.
Can I
AirPods.
please get this also? I'm gonna
I
buy this,
already-
bro. I'm gonna buy this. I love it.
I got you both these.
Amazing, man. This is so amazing.
You long press it, and this is stops. Okay.
Love it.
No,
So
but
yeah.
seriously, vaginismus is a real issue for
that's what.
growing females, for
True.
we say young females, and all of them are facing this vaginismus after marriage.
Young
also.
females also.
Yes.
Yeah,
Because
and
of the stress levels also.
No,
Some-
even, my peers, people who are, 37, 38 in their middle ages, due to stress,
yes,
initially they never had problem with penetrative sex, but due to stress they have been facing such issues, and they don't
Right.
recognize it's because of work pressure, stress, or any X factor.
let me tell you, it's not just stress. Also, it is also that a woman is scared while having
True,
sex.
true. See, another myth I keep busting for men. Men feel that if woman's vagina is very tight while they are having sex, it's very good. No, it's not. Vaginas are supposed to expand themselves when they feel safe.
Right,
They
you are
need
correct.
to, they are supposed to lubricate themselves. If that is not happening, that is not good.
Not good.
The woman, the female is not feeling safe. When they feel safe, they feel excited, they
They
feel
expand.
pleasure.
The
But
Yes,
this can
expands.
happen then also जब लड़की बहुत connected ना feel कर रही हो.
Exactly,
सामने
that's
वाले
why.
से.
Due to multiple reasons, one of the most common reason is the woman is not feeling safe.
true.
The second reason is the woman is not enjoying it because of lack of foreplay.
Right.
The third reason being is, as you said,
Feelings और शायद नहीं है.
Yeah,
but feeling-
communication
not
नहीं
feeling,
है.
but There is just a gap between the person, and of course lack of sex education.
Very true.
So basically massagers जो हैं ये बहुत ज़्यादा आप इसको negative point of view से ना देखें. They are actually helping women
Yeah.
in conquering or just getting out of these problems like vaginismus and so many other things.
It
Women
gives you a good
feel-
glow. You feel
Yeah.
satisfied. You feel happy. I
Correct.
don't think that it should be a problem. I
No,
think it should not
it
be a
actually
point of
gives
concern.
you, it's actually therapeutical. It is used, psychologists, many therapists help you
Yeah.
in these things. And-
एब्सोल्युटली लोगों को
Yeah.
ऐसा लगता है कि जो लड़कियां मसाजर खरीदती हैं वो बड़ी वाइल्ड हैं. नहीं, वो वाइल्ड नहीं है.
Actually,
दोज
I
आर
second
सिंपल
you.
वुमेन. टैक्स पेयर्स हैं, नॉर्मल वुमेन है, नॉर्मल जॉब पे जाती हैं, फैमिलीज हैं.
शर्म से देखा जाता है कि यार
इसमें कोई शेम नहीं
when
है.
I ordered one for myself, so I was like कि shit ये packaging discreet होनी चाहिए, कोई और मेरा पार्सल ना खोल ले, कोई कुछ ना
Right.
कर ले, but क्यों है ये? मुझे
Absolutely,
क्यों है?
and that is one fear, and that's why जो पार्सल हम भेजते हैं it is completely discreet. ब्राउन बॉक्स में जाता है जिसमें सिर्फ नाम और एड्रेस होता है, ना कंपनी का कोई स्टिकर लेबल क्या है बॉक्स के अंदर. तो आपके डिलीवरी वाले को भी नहीं पता चलता कि बॉक्स के अंदर क्या है.
Right.
So we are making discreet products, discreet deliveries, so that people who want to safely explore themselves should not feel shame about it.
Right.
But I feel कि काश ऐसा एक parallel universe होता जिसमें ये discreet packaging की जरूरत नहीं
नहीं
होती.
पड़ती.
और
True
ऐसे
यार.
होता मुझे
Parallel universe
I-
नहीं
मम्मा
है.
मैं ये
सिर्फ
massager
India
order
में.
कर लूं.
If you go to other countries, it's
Exactly.
Of
But
course.
India अभी तो live in India only, तो मैं order कर लूँ. हाँ ये ले पकड़ use कर ले. I just pray काश ऐसे हो लोग.
कर सकते हैं यार, ब्लिंकिट में मिलता है, 5 मिनट में आता है.
I know मैंने Blinkit से ही किया था,
Order.
but जो दूसरे लोग हैं we are like that, but everyone is not like that, and I don't understand कि इसको इतना टैबू से क्यों इस नजर से क्यों देखते हैं कि कुछ गंदा है.
नहीं.
जब कोई चीज किसी
Let
किसी
me
को
tell you-
हैप्पीनेस दे सकती है, it's
Right,
giving you
yeah.
pleasure, it's giving you glow, तो ये गंदा कैसे? It's such a beautiful thing. I don't
So there
understand.
is another thing. So you could have a ongoing painful sex for a long time. The first reason could be STDs or STIs. Definitely, you should get yourself checked. But again, as I said, vaginismus is also one of those reasons only. The painful sex could be because of your vaginismus also.
Right.
And to get it cured or
Treated.
slowly treated, yeah, because it's not going to happen in one day, you can definitely use these massagers.
Absolutely.
And slowly,
Doctors
slowly,
and therapists, they also suggest to use these.
Yes.
In fact, I had that condition for good 2-3 years.
Exactly.
And that's when it was recommended to me, and I realized how helpful this has been for my entire
Right.
Yeah.
self, my body, my pleasure, everything, my well-being. This is wellness. Sexual wellness is also wellness. So we don't need to look at it like something dirty. It's
That's
not.
true. That's true. That's true. Okay. So now we're going to be talking to the audience because वो थोड़े से curious हैं, and you're going to be busting some myths around
Okay.
sex toys, right?
Okay.
What is the biggest misconceptions people have about sex toys?
Like I said, दे थिंक कि सेक्स टॉयज ना काफी अडिक्टिव हो सकते हैं या उसकी आदत लग जाएगी तो पार्टनर को रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं. आई एम सॉरी, आई एम सेलिंग प्लेजर टूल्स. मैं अफीम नहीं बेच रही हूँ. सो नो, कोई एडिक्शन नहीं होता है. एंड
But it's good.
yeah, it's good.
But it's good.
Yeah, you can explore your body.
Yeah,
आप
of
pleasure explore कर सकते हो और नहीं, पार्टनर को रिप्लेस नहीं करता है. इनफैक्ट इफ एनीथिंग पार्टनर के साथ कम्युनिकेशन बढ़ाता है, कनेक्शन बढ़ाता है.
Actually, your partner can use it on you, or you
Yes,
can use it on your partner.
absolutely.
That's true. Next question इसी से ही आ रहा है. Do sex toys replace partners or can they improve intimacy?
I just answered that.
Yeah.
No, पार्टनर रिप्लेस नहीं करता है मसाजर. एंड डेफिनेटली इंटीमेसी इंप्रूव होती है, नॉट जस्ट विद प्लेजर टूल्स बट किंक एक्सेसरीज. कोई भी फैंटेसी अगर है आपकी, आप उससे अच्छे से कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हो एंड सेफली एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो. दैट मेक्स रिलेशनशिप मोर डीपर, stronger.
So, what would you say to someone who feels ashamed of buying the products?
Your body, or if you're feeling ashamed about it, your body is nothing to be ashamed about. अपनी बॉडी को जानना, उसको सेफली एक्सप्लोर करना हर ह्यूमन का राइट है और आपको ये करना चाहिए सेफली, इन्फॉर्म्ड होके, कंसेंट के साथ, चाहे वो आपकी खुद की हो.
That's true. Okay. What should people know before buying a sex toy?
ग्रेट क्वेश्चन. बिकॉज नॉर्मली बिगिनर्स या जो लोग एक्सप्लोर भी करना चाहते हैं उन्हें ये नहीं पता शुरू कहाँ से करें. तो एक जनरल कॉन्सेप्ट है कि हाँ, पहले कोई सस्ता सा मसाजर ले लेते हैं. सो मार्केट में बहुत सारे सस्ते मसाजर अवेलेबल हैं बट उनका जो मटेरियल होता है वो आपकी बॉडी के लिए सेफ नहीं होता. तो एनीथिंग विच इज़ not medical grade body safe silicone or liquid silicone cannot be used internally for your body.
Yes.
तो you have to be sure कि आप labels check करो कि आप जो भी massager ले रहे हो उसका जो body हो वो किसी भी cheap material का ना हो, medical grade हो, silicone हो. We make sure we have done a lot of research और जितने product हम launch करते हैं वो सारे body use के लिए safe होते हैं.
I ordered one for myself from some other brand and I was not really satisfied with it.
See, do you
The
know?
claim that they were making in those videos, and it's a very famous brand by the
Okay.
way, and I cannot name it, of course.
Of course.
But the claims and the kind of advertisement that they're doing, oh, it's so good. I mean, the pleasure and the girl is super happy. It was a flop product, honestly.
See, that happens. That's
Yeah,
what.
because we don't know what to choose. It was my
True.
first time. मुझे खुद नहीं पता था कि क्या
True.
order करें. क्या
So
करें?
normally, for someone who is starting for the first time, आपको नहीं पता whether you would like penetration or not, whether you would like something going inside you or something external. You should always start with something which is made up of body safe material. And plus external, something like I could suggest you probably, okay, something like this.
What
This
is
is a
this?
very discreet massager
Okay.
made for women. It's a finger ring.
Okay.
You can wear it in your finger. This vibrates and this is external. आप इसको अपने clit के
the
around
clit area.
move कर सकते हो
Right.
or your outer lips. You can move as you please, right? You can also use this to stimulate your nip areas. Whatever feels good to you. और अगर आपका पार्टनर है, आप पार्टनर के साथ भी इसको एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो. So, like I was telling you,
Yeah.
men, they don't know that they need to stimulate your clit while you guys are intimate. So that's where this helps for men as well. They can stimulate your outer area while they are going about it.
Right.
Yeah, so many guys they feel है, हम सबको पता है मैं तो प्लेबॉय हूँ. बेटा तुझे कुछ नहीं पता. तेरे को हम बताते हैं इस पॉडकास्ट में. अब देख. Okay, so what materials are body safe materials? Specifically आप बता दो जो बिल्कुल body safe होते हैं.
Okay, so it has to be, you can see the markings whether they are body safe or not. It has to be body safe, medical grade silicone, which you use for internal
Right.
pleasure. Yeah.
How important is hygiene and consent in these conversations?
Oh my God, this is basic. Hygiene is very important. If you're using a toy, please wash it before the use and after the
use.
after the use. Okay. Lube is very important. Don't use any massager without lube.
Painful.
A lot of lube.
Painful,
okay.
yeah,
So that
without
it is
lube.
hygienic for you
Yeah.
and pleasurable.
Pleasurable.
And consent, I'm sorry, guys. Saying yes one is not consent. You need to keep communicating, keep asking about consent. And this goes for women also. Both ways, you need to have consent. Keep asking, keep checking in between whether everything is nice, going well or not.
So these products are definitely washable, right?
Yes, these are absolutely, you can wash it with any toy cleaner or in fact soap.
Okay.
Wash it, dry it,
Right.
then store it.
Yeah, so there's also this silk cloth in which you can
Of
keep it, dry it,
course.
and keep it.
Of
Right?
course,
Can you
see-
please show everyone?
Yes.
Yeah.
So this is a bag we give
What
with
it's so
each
cute.
massager. Of course, because
So
pink.
It's
Yeah.
so cute.
So we give this with every product. You are supposed to wash your product before and after every use, dry it, and then store it in this pouch so
Right.
that it is hygienic.
Hygiene.
Right.
Yes.
Right. That's right. अभी तो हमने बहुत सारे female I think pleasure products
अभी
की बात
males के
करी.
बारे में
Now
बात
करते
I
हैं.
want you to demonstrate some male products for male
Of
pleasure.
course.
So yeah.
Of course. So,
Please.
like I said, pleasure is important for both men and women, and we need to talk more about it
Yeah.
openly. Let me show you. So, I have this model. and
Such a pink color guy.
see again, pink. We have a thing for pink. Our entire
I love
branding is around
Now I
pink.
love pink color.
Had a dip.
Absolutely would like a pink.
Glitter भी होती है उस पे यार.
थोड़ी सी glitter.
Oh, थोड़ी सी glitter. Okay. So this
Yeah.
product right here is called a cock ring.
Yeah.
Okay. And this, let me tell you, a lot of men would love this
Mhm.
because ये cock ring men का stamina बढ़ाता है.
Okay.
Let me show how it is used. अगर मैंने इसको अकेले use कर रहे हैं, so this is how. I'm sorry. Let me. Okay. Looked painful. Okay.
ये सारे shapes and sizes के लिए है, ये एक ही है या
This
इसमें
is
sizes
super stretchable.
stretchable है?
Please.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Then-
Okay.
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 She would dig 3 fingers. and-
Yes. Yes. Okay. So let me show you. This is a cock ring. This is how. This is how a man can wear it
Yeah.
if they are exploring themselves alone. इस कॉक रिंग का काम ये है कि ये आपका ब्लड फ्लो यहाँ पे रोकता है, जिसकी वजह से मेन कैन लास्ट लॉन्गर, उनका स्टैमिना बढ़ता है.
Wow.
This basically trains their stamina. Secondly, this head here, right here, with bristles you see,
Mhm.
this vibrates.
Oh.
So when men are exploring on their own, this can vibrate like this and help them feel pleasure with their
On the
balls
spot
as well.
also.
Yes,
Okay.
absolutely. For men, it's not just the penis.
Yeah.
There is scrotums also. They need to be taken
Stimulated.
care of and stimulated.
I know about it. Do you know about it? Yeah, I
You
think
guys
that's
did?
Yeah, of course.
Amazing. But most of women, they don't know. I talk to a lot of guys also and they
That's
complain
the
about
most
it.
important thing. वो पूरा एक ही तो part है ना.
Right. So now let me show you. If you're using this cock ring with a partner, how you're supposed to wear it. There are 2 different ways to wear it. So again, the ring goes here towards the base so that it helps you with the blood flow. This part here goes like this so that these bristles, when you are intimate, can stimulate the clit area for women.
Wow.
So that it is providing
So it's
pleasure
both
and
sides.
stamina.
Oh, wow.
Yes, for
That's
both.
Good, yeah.
Yeah.
That's so nice. What do you call this product?
This is called the cock ring. This particular one is called cocktail.
Right.
Okay.
Do we have it in pink also? Yeah, the great. Yeah.
So people who do not like something huge down there, like cocktail could be little bigger. But बड़ा है इस वजह से ज़्यादा area stimulate करता है. But जो first time use करें, they can use this. This is called OG Thrill. This is a smaller cock ring. Same function, same stimulation, but beginner friendly है. Beginners can go with this.
Okay.
Okay. And I think price point maybe
Of
this
course.
might be the
Of course.
on the lesser side.
Yes.
Get it.
Do you think Gen Z is accepting this more and more by the time? Are they more open-minded?
Actually, I love Gen Zs because unlike millennials, they're asking more questions. They're more concerned about their safety.
Gen Z's है भाई.
Yes, so I absolutely love that. The only thing is they don't have right information, and that's my aim and agenda while I'm selling these products. But I want to talk more about these things so that there are no misinformation. They have nobody to ask these questions from, and I'm there to answer any of your questions.
बट प्रोबेबली आई फील अब धीरे धीरे थोड़ा थोड़ा तो चेंज आ रहा है, हम थोड़े ओपन
Change
हो
आ
रहे
रहा
हैं मे बी, शायद आई डोंट नो, क्योंकि हमारी जनरेशन तक तो आते आते वी आर क्वाइट ओपन अबाउट ऑल दिस, सो आई डोंट नो, शायद हो भी सकता है नहीं भी हो सकता, आई
Absolutely,
डोंट नो अबाउट इट.
absolutely.
But what do you feel, has social media helped to normalize this sexual wellness and awareness? आपको लगता है या
Social
फिर
media-
और misconception फैलाया है, क्या है आपके हिसाब से? What do
See,
you
it's both ways.
Both
It's
ways.
both good and bad. So
Hmm.
you cannot just take one side, because
Yeah.
while there are a lot of creators, women therapists who are giving right information on Instagram, other social platforms, there is also misinformation being circulated.
Correct.
Like,
So-
for example, could you give me a small example?
So, like, there is this myth about that if you use a massager, you might lose your virginity, you might get addicted to it, and they're showing it in a very bad manner,
Bad.
that it would ruin your internal organs, you won't be able to feel pleasure after it might make you numb, which is not true.
Right.
If you are informed, or if you see any such content, you need to be informed. You can talk to your therapist, your doctor.
And people are talking about it on social media.
Yes.
Like definitely, I also heard this one that you won't be able to enjoy the normal sex
True,
after
true.
using these
वो
massages.
तो मीम ये कौन है ये लोग, कहाँ से आते हैं?
But I really want to ask, what reactions do you get online?
Oh, you don't want to ask
I
this.
want
Oh
to
my
I
God.
want you to tell us the
मैं
funniest,
इतना
funniest
troll
बताओ.
होती हूँ. Funniest?
Funniest बताओ.
Okay, I find it funny. I don't know.
Okay.
तो सबसे ज्यादा लोग जो मुझसे पूछते हैं वो ये पूछते हैं कि मैम आप भी यूज करते हैं, इसे डालना कहाँ है, आप लाइव डेमो दिखाएंगी क्या? I find it very funny.
My God, people audacity, huh?
I think people have to do something about their brains and have to get therapy in reality and just normalize these things, because they are not such a huge deal that you guys are actually making it.
True. And ऐसे लोगों के लिए भी मैं इसीलिए आई ट्राई टू एजुकेट देम. मैं एक्चुअली उन्हें बता रही हूँ कि कैसे यूज करना है,
Just like your
कहाँ
hair.
यूज करना है.
Yes, just like your hair.
Yes,
This is also a part of your body.
exactly.
Just like your face, your fingers, your hands. This is normal. It's okay to see this.
True.
That's true, that's true. Very well put. कुछ तो बोली, मजा आया. Now we are entering a very fun segment, which is a rapid fire round. Quick answers we want.
Okay.
Okay, bilkul quick. One myth about female pleasure you want to destroy.
That women do not enjoy sex during their periods. They can definitely enjoy it.
Definitely.
It helps with the period
It is
cramps.
even better during
Even better.
Exactly.
Please do
Period-
that.
Period sex is the best
Yes.
sex
Yes.
ever. I
Period sex is
Yeah.
not dirty.
It's not dirty.
Please.
I know. Actually, I used to feel very uncomfortable, but then my partner, it's fine. He made me comfortable, and I was like, that's
great.
very sweet, yeah. And actually, I enjoy period sex. It's better than the other days. Most underrated part of intimacy.
Oh my God, that's foreplay. It's so basic, guys. Please, men and women both. Foreplay is very important. And हाँ, sorry, foreplay का मतलब ये नहीं होता है कि चार लोग मिलके कुछ कर रहे हैं. नहीं. You guys, please, it's not just kissing also. You need to communicate. You need to communicate with your partner better and know what they like
इधर-उधर
before
touch
the
करना
final.
पड़ता है.
बहुत
Basic
जगह touch
language.
करना पड़ता है.
There's a gap between a male orgasm and a female orgasm.
True, that
And
is called
can be-
orgasm gap.
Yeah.
It is global.
Right.
You know what? 75% women, they don't orgasm while
During
men
sex.
do.
हाँ.
Yes.
And that can be
I am
That-
one of those
Yes.
75%. Yeah.
So that gap can be filled with foreplay. So please talk to your partner, explore your fantasies, your kinks, whatever you have.
Yeah. While men actually they have an orgasm very early. I think 5 to 10 minutes.
Yes.
Women take about
20 to 30
Sometimes, yes,
30
30 minutes or
and sometimes never also.
Yes.
So ये होता है हमारे साथ. So yeah. One thing every woman should know about their body.
that nothing about their body is dirty, is shameful. Just own it. Be informed. Explore your body. You wanting pleasure or demanding your desire does not make you feel bad. Does not make you bad.
Right. Well said.
वो हमें एक पेडिस्टल पे बिठा दिया ना कि ये तो हमारी वो होती है जो चार हाथ निकले सब कुछ करेगी वो. But उस एक औरत के भी प्लेजर्स होते हैं.
True.
We are human.
True.
at the end of the day. What does confidence mean to you?
Being informed so that I don't have to shrink myself in front of anyone.
Pleasure in one word.
Happiness.
Thriller.
Thriller. Yes.
Pleasure in one word. Thriller. See. Guys, I think we had a very eye-opening podcast today. It was fun also. It was a mix of fun and मुझे इतनी चीज़ों के बारे में पता चला जो मुझे खुद नहीं पता था. And all thanks to Bhavika, all thanks to you. It was
Thank you,
such
guys.
an informative podcast. And is there some advice or something that you would like to tell everyone in the end?
So my only advice would be कि ये body आपकी है. बॉडी के बारे में जानना या बात करना आपको वियर्ड नहीं बनाता है. If you have fantasies, if you have desires, that does not make you weird. It only makes you human. Please talk about it. Please explore it safely.
That's rightly said. She's rightly said. So ये आपकी बॉडी का ही पार्ट है, जैसे भाविका ने बोला. Just like your hair, just like your hands. Vagina is a part of your body. Penis is a part of your body. It's okay to talk about it.
Yes.
Please be educated so that you don't end up making a wrong move or the other person doesn't end up making the wrong move. Please know about consent. It is very, very, very important. And please go check out their website, Thriller. Please go check their page on Instagram. And I hope you have a great day. We had a great podcast.
Yeah.
Okay,
Same
guys.
here.
Bye.
Bye.